Greetings, family. This is your brother in Christ, Emmanuel Destiny, and welcome yet to another valuable video where we do indexes insight, where we use intraday time frames for you to get just an overall direction for the day. So, yeah, man, let's just jump into it and see what the market has in store for us today. Already took some trades in the morning, some profitable trades pre-London, where I took some sells and it was amazing. Anyway, let's just bring it in. We are right here. I'm just gonna bring it in and take the highest point, which is this point. Okay, take the lowest point, which is right here where the market is just spiked right now. Just bring it in. Okay, so once I've established that room that we need to establish, then we want to go to a 15-minute time frame. On a 15-minute time frame, at least that's where we can get the overall market, sentiment and direction. So we can definitely see that the market has started a bit of an uptrend right here, and we really want to validate that for the day. That is it going to be taking place that way, or something else is going to be happening? So yeah, let me just get into it right here. So we can definitely see the market was in a very strong downtrend, and now we just started this small uptrend, and we can see that it has actually broken this levels right here, this higher high. And as it has broken it, I'm looking forward to it, being resisted, that coming back to retest, and then obviously now going all the way up, at least to the point of resistance. Okay. If it doesn't, that means that we are still looking for sells for the day, so something like that. So obviously I'm looking at it rejecting on that current candlestick, giving us a bearish market, breaking that point that was once a point of resistance, or support, and then obviously giving us further sells to the downside, creating lower lows. So that's what I'm anticipating. But so far, based on the market sentiment right now that we can see, we can even go to the 5 minutes to even show us more, to say it has actually broken out of that. It has broken the lower low that it was holding, and we may anticipate buying markets today. We may see buying markets today. We may see Nasdaq gaining strength, and possibly, if during the week it might create higher highs, we don't know. Or again, it might meet the level and actually fall all the way back down, and create lower lows. But we will definitely see what it has in store. Okay, so this is my analysis for Nasdaq. It's not quite a big thing. I'm just seeing a buy. Okay, so just to sum it up, I will take a buy only if it comes back to this point right here. So it gets resisted, comes back to reject or retest with maybe a weak rejection or something like that. Then that's when I'll possibly say I'm taking buys at this point. Other than that, I won't take buys right now until I see the proper confirmation that I need. Okay. So let's move on to another pair. As you can see, I did take some sells again on US30 right there. I did take some sells. Okay, so let's break it down. I am on the 15 minutes. I'm just going to be starting on the 15 minutes. Take the highest point, take the lowest point. We can definitely see now there's a bit of structure right here when it comes to this pair, or rather USD30. We have a nice reversal market, a nice double bottom. Okay, and double bottoms show a structure of the market turning around most of the time, and I want to see something on this in order to be convinced that it's going to be a market that's rallying all the way up. We have this strong lower low that was created by the market while we're still in a downtrend. I want to see USD30 breaking it, coming back to retest, then obviously moving all the way to the top. So I want to see something like that So possibly, where would I be taking buys at this point? If I don't get something like that, I won't take buys, guys. Let me just be honest with you. I won't take buys. So it's very much important that you wait for the right confirmation according to your strategy in order to be a profitable trader and a disciplined trader. You must have a checklist that checks each and every point according to your strategy. So let's go to the 5 minutes. Maybe we might get a little bit more information. We can definitely see we have a nice reversal markets right here, and it's pushing based off the momentum that we see. It's pushing all the way up, and I am really anticipating this indexes to be correlating. Again, we have positive correlation showing itself on this indexes. Let's go to the other one, Dexterity, by the way. Dexterity, this is the analysis from yesterday. Let me just get rid of it. Okay, analysis from yesterday. And we just want to bring it in. And we can definitely see a lot that's happening right here. The highest point, the lowest point. We can also see one of the reversal patterns that we talk about in our mentorship program. That's going to be, it shows that the market is actually going to be having a very strong momentum. And we can definitely see it right now. It's similar to a double bottom. So, but this one kicks in with a lot of momentum. I can't mention it. I can't mention the name. Okay, but we can definitely see we have that strong area right there of support that's going to be pushing the market all the way up. But now we have this levels that it's about to break, and as soon as it breaks it, I'm definitely gonna go. Let's go to a 5 minutes, and we have seen that it has actually broken that. So I'm looking at the market coming back to retest at this point, and then obviously we go for buys and even possibly creating new highs. So somewhere here I might take my buys, or unless it gives me another entry pattern. Also on the other one, unless it gives me another entry pattern according to my strategy, then possibly then I can say that's when I'm going in for buys or for sells. But in this case, we have a beautiful reversal pattern as well that kicks in with a lot of momentum. Okay, so that's Dexterity. I want to go to FRANCE40, and we can definitely see FRANCE40 is also kicking in with a lot of momentum. There's a lot of things happening as the London session just ushered in, and it's kicking in with a lot of momentum here. So take the highest point. Okay, so I'll take this lowest point right here. Just create my room. Let me go to 15 minutes. So we can definitely see that the highest and lowest point for the day that we can identify a strong momentum candlestick just kick in, and we can tell that there's a little bit of similarity, there's a little bit of there's a little bit of matching with this pair. They're correlating in the sense of they're all showing more or less the same direction for the day. FRANCE40 is showing a beautiful market structure over here, so I'm looking forward. Again, you can have what we call a brick wall. So it's not trendline trading. I don't do trendline trading. You have this brick wall that the market has been broken, and definitely we can say now that we're looking forward to markets trading above that brick wall. So something like this. So I'm going to be back testing, as I said in yesterday's video, I'm going to be back testing FRANCE40 and see how it really moves, even the pip count, and I'm looking forward to introducing it to you guys in terms of other strategies. This week I'm dropping a strategy about Dexterity news, so be sure to catch that. If you're watching this for the first time, be sure to subscribe and be part of the family, because something big, more information. A lot of you guys are coming back to me saying, oh man, based off your YouTube videos I was able to take some trades. I was able to analyze for myself, and that's what the whole purpose of this is. When I'm analyzing, you taking tips and writing down, and you go and implement them, and you also see success within your own forex trading life. So anyway, if this has really blessed you, as I was saying, please kindly subscribe, like, and also share it with your friends and family. Anyway, that's it for today. I'm not sure if I'll come back with another video where I'll come back and just show you the trades I've taken for the day and how did I take them, how did I get those trades. God bless you.